When you think of online shopping, one name dominates: Amazon. It's the giant of e-commerce, a trillion-dollar company that seems unstoppable. But here's the shocking question: is Amazon actually dying? The answer might surprise you. Let's dive into the truth and uncover what the future of e-commerce really looks like. Part 1. The rise of Amazon. Amazon started in 1994 as a small online bookstore. Fast forward, and it has become the everything store, from books to electronics to groceries. It's built on 3 pillars: low prices, fast delivery, and customer obsession. For years, Amazon crushed its competition, setting the standard for e-commerce worldwide. But the same empire that disrupted retail is now facing challenges that could reshape its future. Part 2. The problems Amazon faces. Problem 1. Rising competition. Amazon is no longer alone. Platforms like Shopify, Walmart, Alibaba, and even TikTok Shop are cutting into its market share. Sellers today have more options, and customers are discovering new platforms daily. Problem 2. Seller struggles. Behind the scenes, many small businesses on Amazon are unhappy. High fees, intense competition, and counterfeit products make it tough for sellers to survive. As sellers leave, Amazon risks losing variety and innovation. Problem 3. Consumer fatigue. Yes, customers love prime shipping, but younger generations, Gen Z in particular, are turning to social commerce. They're shopping directly from Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms where products are integrated with entertainment. Amazon feels old school compared to that. Problem 4. Regulatory pressure. Governments worldwide are cracking down on Amazon's monopoly power, data use, and labor practices. These legal battles could limit Amazon's growth and force major changes in how it operates. Problem 5. Innovation gap. Amazon's core model hasn't changed much in years. While they experiment with Alexa, cashierless stores, and drones, competitors are innovating faster in personalized shopping, live commerce, and AI-driven experiences. Part 3. The future of e-commerce. So, is Amazon dying? Not exactly. But the future of e-commerce is evolving beyond Amazon. Here's what's coming. Trend 1. Social commerce. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube are merging shopping with entertainment. People don't just want to buy, they want an experience. Trend 2. Niche marketplaces. Smaller, specialized platforms are growing, whether it's handmade goods, sustainable products, or luxury fashion. Customers want curated experiences, not just endless options. Trend 3. AI and personalization. The future of online shopping is hyper-personalized. AI will recommend products tailored to your lifestyle, predict what you need, and even shop for you. Trend 4. Faster and smarter delivery. The next battle isn't just price, it's logistics. Expect drones, automated warehouses, and local micro-hubs delivering products in minutes, not days. Trend 5. Customer values. Sustainability, ethical sourcing, and transparency are shaping buying decisions. Consumers care about more than just convenience. They care about impact. Part 4. The final thought. So, is Amazon dying? Not today, but its dominance is being challenged like never before. The truth is, the future of e-commerce won't be ruled by one giant. Instead, it will be a battlefield of multiple platforms, social apps, AI-driven shopping, and niche marketplaces. For consumers, this is great news. More choices, more innovation, and a shopping experience that feels more human. Now I want to hear from you. Do you think Amazon will stay number 1? Or will social media platforms take over? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know your take. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into business, tech, and the future of money.